Hello everyone, I will discuss the characteristics of black and white film and colored film. This is the silver alines. The silver alines used to in photographic because are photosensitive as they react with the light to form that image. Silver alines being reduced to silver. Gelatin binder. Gelatin binders provide the better electrode stability and electrochemical performance that typically TBF binder because the presence of polymer chain. This is the emulsion. Photographic emulsion are light-sensitive coating on film made up on grains of microns size silver alloys and bromine central suspend in a gelatin. This is the plastic film base, transparent substrate with as a support medium for the photosensitive emulsion that lies a stop it. This is the anti-aliasing layer. The light up absorbed layer is raw stock that prevents reflection of light back into a light sensitive emulsion. Characteristic of colored film. Number 1. Emulsion. Emulsion is the most fundamental layers in a film. It is that emulsion layer to the base that means of a binder. Number 2. Base. It is the supporting layer in the film that called that base. This is the base has to be transparent with some optical density, free from imperfection, chemically stable, insensitive photographical, and resisting to many moisture and process chemicals. Number 3. Anti-aliasing backing. It is the light penetrating that emulsion of the film can reflect from the base emulsion interface back into a emulsion, causing the secondary exposure around image and brightening object. Number 4. Yellow filter. It is the layer in between the yellow dye forming couple magenta dye former in the emulsion which absorb any unless blue light that prevent in the form reaching the two-layer emulsion layer that magenta dye and side dye forming copper. Number 5. Subbing layer. It is the subbing layer applied to the film base to the emulsion adheres to the base. Number 6. Ultraviolet absorbing layer. Although we cannot see ultraviolet regions, photosensitive silver iodide crystal can be exposed by it. An ultraviolet absorbs layer that includes to protect the image layer from exposure by UV radiation. Number 7. Supercoat. It is the top of the film that proposes of the clear layer that are the gelatin to protect the emulsion from damage during transport to the camera.